should be brought over. You see the ball, go get it. He should have been around.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's. Ouch! I just kicked my. Oh, I kicked the chair. Tom's Radio Room show, and this is another radio from Jeff. This is a medium wave or AM radio, and this is the volume on-off button. This is the speaker, and then this is the tuning knob. This radio is like 1960, 1970 vintage, and it was sold by SandHurst Laboratory, who sold novelty radios, among other things. Uses a 9-volt battery, and it's in very good condition, almost like new condition. And it's something else. So let me zoom out and show you what else it is besides a radio. Here we go. We'll zoom out and then we'll move it down. It's a spice rack. Can you believe that? So this will hang on the wall in like your kitchen. You can put your spices in here and then listen to the radio. Pretty cool. Jeff paid $8 for this at a thrift store. And let me turn it over very carefully because I didn't completely install the 9-volt battery because I was afraid I couldn't get it out. And I'll show you what I mean. Grab it here. Turn it over carefully. And then I'm going to set it down, then I'm going to zoom in. So here is the radio compartment right here. Try to get it zoomed in as far as I can. So here's the 9-volt battery, which fits in this clip right here. And the clip is pretty stiff, and I was afraid if I got the battery in there, I couldn't get it out. So I didn't put it in there. Matter of fact, I'm going to disconnect it right now, get it out of the way. There we go. And so over here is the on-off volume switch, which it looked like it wasn't mounted properly, so it's a little bit loose. So that's why I had to be careful when I was adjusting that. Here's the speaker, and here is the circuit board right here. Let me zoom in a little more on that circuit board. Hopefully my camera will focus. Yeah, there's the circuit board for the AM radio. Similar to a circuit board you'd see in like a little portable radio like the one I showed you in a previous video. This is a big antenna slug here. Pretty neat little radio. And it's very handy, you know, that it normally Jeff said there is a cover over this. He doesn't have the cover for it, so that's missing. But normally there's a wooden cover that goes over this. Let me turn it back over. It has pretty good sound for that little speaker. And it tunes in the stations real well. Matter of fact, let me put the battery back in, connect it back up. Again, if you'd normally put it in that little clip there, but I'm afraid to put it in there as it might not come out. Okay, I'm going to set it down gently, and then we'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see me tuning. Again, this is the tuning knob. This is the on-off volume knob.
Now is the best time to get your home ready for
very
winter.
clear.
Whether you want to remodel
And
the den for football
I just
season
barely
or fix
turned
up
the volume
before
up.
the holidays, Home Advisor can help. Para que nos salude por allá están llegando mi... It's going to be live music from 1 o'clock.
So it picks up lots of stations.
We'll all be there meet and greeting and doing some great things.
It works perfect. We turn it off right now. And that's it. That's the SandHurst Laboratory Spice Rack Radio. Pretty cool. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning these radios for me to review. And if you enjoy these shows, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.